Have your plant leaves started turning yellow? Don't worry. Today I'll show you a simple homemade trick that many gardeners use to help plants look greener and healthier fast. All you need is warm water and a little Epsom salt. First, take 1 liter of slightly warm water. Now add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and stir well until it completely dissolves. Why does this work? Epsom salt contains magnesium, which plants need for healthy green leaves. When plants lack magnesium, leaves may start turning yellow, especially older leaves. Now pour this mixture into a spray bottle. For potted plants, apply a small amount around the roots. You can also lightly spray the leaves in the early morning or evening. After a few days, many gardeners notice greener leaves, stronger growth, and healthier looking plants. This trick can be helpful for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, roses, and many indoor plants too. But remember, don't overuse it. Too much Epsom salt may harm plants or disturb soil balance. Using it once every 2 to 4 weeks is usually enough for most plants. Also, yellow leaves can happen for other reasons, like overwatering, poor drainage, pests, or lack of nitrogen. So always check your plant carefully. Try this easy garden trick and see the difference yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more simple gardening tips.